I am Christian B. Sanidad. I came across a question recently that really made me think. Would you rather win the lottery or live twice as long? At first, it sounds like just a fun. But the more I thought about it, the more I realized that this question is about more than just the money or time. It is about how we choose to live, how we choose to be happy and enjoy our life. And for me, I would choose to win the lottery. I want it not only because of money. I want it because I just want to be happy. I can buy some stuffs that I want, and especially all the needs of my family. Winning the lottery would give me the chance to enjoy my life while I'm still young. I could finally do the things that bring me joy. I could take care of my family, travel, and most importantly, live my life to the fullest. I want to buy things that make me happy, not just to have a collection, but I want to create memories, and also I want to heal my inner child. Maybe travel with my loved ones, buying what I want, remote control cars that I could not afford when I was a kid. Money gives me freedom and joy. That kind of happiness means everything to me. Living twice as long might sound amazing, right? But what if those extra years are having pain and struggles? I would not choose to live twice. Some people live for longer years, but I think some of them could not enjoying their life. They wait and hope that their time comes because they are not enjoying it. I believe it is not about how much time we have. It is about what we do with the time we already have. Winning the lottery would allow me to stop waiting. It would give me the power to live fully today, not someday in the future. I could support the people I love. I could wake up excited about each day. I could stop worrying, just surviving, and finally start living. So yes, I would rather win the lottery, not because I want to collect things, but because I want to collect moments. I want to create life that feels rich in joy, in love, and also to make myself happy. And to me, that kind of life is the real winning. Thank you.